everyone, this is Cindy. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a very quick unboxing of some Chanel beauty stuff, but that's not the main aim of today's video. Today's video is about a customization of free bits from a purchase and turning them into earrings or necklace. And so please stay tuned, and this is loads of good stuff today, and it would make your festive season very, very happy because you can maximize whatever you have in your wardrobe or your jewelry collection. So sit tight and let's begin. So first of all, let's do the unboxing together. So basically just a very plain white packaging. Open up is the Chanel logo there. This is just the receipt, and so is the beauty stuff. I asked for the pouch just basically white canvas with Chanel writing on them. And then open up here, can you see? For Christmas packaging they have this little charm with the Chanel No. 5 perfume bottle with this double charmed pendant. Is free for with each order. So, and now probably you know what I'm going to do next. So let me get that off the thing. So that's our charm number 1, and inside basically it's just a foundation, and let me show you the foundation. It's called Les Beige Water Fresh Complexion Touch. Is the ones with loads of those little caviars inside. I want to try this because the reviews are quite good, and but some people say the coverage with this is not very great, but I will report back on this because with my beauty stuff no one watches it, but I still want to review this foundation later for you just to see how it goes on my skin. And then in the pouch is the next item. Is if you have followed my channel, I've bragged about this one for so many times. So basically this is just a gel cleanser I'm repeatedly buying and buying. So I've used it, I don't know how many bottles, I've lost the track of it. And then there are a couple of little basically just free samples. You can choose 2 free samples with the purchase. The first one is a little cream, and the other one is a little serum. So they're just good for travel. I have another one from Chanel. It's from the same people because I did 2 separate orders, because this one is the one that I really wanted, but however suddenly I realized, oh, I need to order something else. Because of the charm, I'm a little bit cheap, so I've ordered another one. So just get the charm because it's free, and shipping is free, and is a Christmas special because you can choose the different types of charms. One is the Chanel No. 5 bottle, the one I have here, and the other one I think is a snowflake, but I don't really like the snowflake. So let's carry on with the unboxing. So this is another big envelope for the receipt, and then again you can see this is pouch with the pendant on it. So I can get the pendant off. So I have 2 now. 2 exactly the same. So you know where this video is going, guys, or girls. So inside of this pouch, this is it's a basically mascara free sample. So I'm going to try this, and there is the cream from this range. You can choose 2 free samples, so I just chose different ones. And ta-da! So this is the Chanel Christmas gift special. This is the toiletry bag. Oh yeah, here this one has the snowflake little zip puller. So if the other charm would be look like exactly like that. So inside we have the packaging. The one I've got, they're just 3 items, so they are all eye products. So this is a eyeliner. The second one is a mascara. The final one is a volume and a care lash primer. Basically is before you apply the mascara and you put this on and into, so that's a little white bottle, looks really cute. And the mascara just like little black tubely little thing. And then the eyeliner, I repeatedly buy this eyeliner. It's kind of like a gel eyeliner, so this is what it is. So these are the 3 items in the pouch. I think this was £109, and just because I want this little fluffy Christmas special little bag, a pouch, so I love it. It looks like Oakley fabric but with shimmering over it with this gold Chanel and beauty there and little snowflake on the side. It is just really cute, so I'm really happy. Moving on, so the unboxing is done. Let's do the most important thing for our video today. So for the customization, I'm going to turn the camera onto the my dressing table so I can show you the steps by steps of what I'm going to do. Okay, right, so here are the 2 charms. So if you have any this type of earrings, like little hoops, whether they're square or whether they are rounded little hoops, so we can use that to hang them. So let's begin with this pair of these are just like little chained earrings from Monica Vinader, and I bought many years ago. So basically just release this and then just hang it, and voila. So that's one earring, and then do the same with the other one. Can you see? That's the earrings. They're so cute and shiny. And I'm going to put some selfies with me wearing them later. And also let me show you them with the round hoops. So the round hoops is so easy, just hoop them over like that. There you go. That's the earring. And then let me show you with the bigger hoop, but I prefer them with the smaller hoop. And the little hoop is from Monica Vinader as well. And I think these ones, I can't remember, this one might be from Arcade or COS. And these are very, very basically costume jewelry. And then you can see this with the bigger hoops. It looks quite nice as well. Can you see? Sorry, my hands got a little bit of, that looks really pretty as well, doesn't it? Nice and shining. And the charm is about 3 centimeters tall, and that's about 2 centimeters, and so it's like a 5 centimeter drop overall. And this is very pretty. So if you really wanted to make this into a when I was doing the cleaning the other day, I damaged my skin, so yeah, you can see on there. And so you can put this onto a very thin chain. So this is a 18 karat thin chain I had for years. And you can, there's 2 ways of doing this. You can either have it over the large hoop and then charm it up. So they basically ended up like this. I hope it's clear, so you can see it's ended up like this. But however, I tried it with this bigger hoop. It swings around too much. But if you have a very thin necklace, that can go through the joining hoops for the charms. Can you see there are like two little hoops there. Can you see? Might not be very clear. Can you see those 2 little hoops? Can you see? Yeah, this is the 2 little joining hoops over there. Can you see? Yeah, there. I want to put through the chain over there, so you can see it can go through quite easily, because if the chain is thin enough, it definitely can go through. So now the chain, it sits better, I think, with the charm. Can you see? And also the other hoop, you can put it behind it or can dangling right in front of it, so it doesn't really matter that much. But still, this is a lovely little necklace. And I'm going to put it on and to show you later. So now I'm just showing you how to do this. So these are the Chanel charms that you can do. One pair of earrings, if you have two of them. If you only just have one, and then you can definitely just do a necklace. I think this is very, very similar quality to the Chanel costume jewelry, because the gold plated gold color looks very, very beautiful and shining, and looks really Chanel quality. It doesn't look very cheap. It has some weight on it as well, so which is quite nice. So it's not like those cheap plastic stuff, and I think definitely this is proper metal because of the weight. And next, let me show you how they are looking when I put them on. And so that's the Chanel necklace. You can see the little charms there. Lovely and shining. It's beautiful. And then I haven't got any earrings on today because I wanted to show you how this looks. And I'm just going to, because I have two pendants, so I'm just going to wear this one earring. Click on. Can you see? I have to cover my face a little bit because otherwise the focus is going to be on my eyes. You can see, it's so pretty. Nice and shiny. And also let me show you with the smaller hoop. You can see the different lengths. So you can see this is much smaller than the other one. So now because this hoop is quite thin, narrow, so therefore all you can see is this Chanel perfume bottle. With the little round hoops, it had a similar sort of a look. And then because the hoops are quite small, I went through them with the two hoops in the middle, and therefore it make the earring is a bit shorter, so you can see. So pretty. So that's the earrings. Just have a quick recap. And we've done the Chanel necklace and the Chanel earrings customization. Be creative and let me know what you have done for yourself with this customization ideas, and leave a comment, and because I love to hear from you, and then we can kind of like save money, be creative, have a little bit of fun together. And I hope you enjoyed today's video, and thank you so much for tuning in. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and turn on that little bell button, and I really appreciate your support for my little growing channel. And in the new year I'm going to do a giveaway, so please tuned, and I need to find out more details of how to do it, and then when the time is ready I'm going to do the giveaway. So hope you have a good week, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.